All right, now it is time for Little Monkey. What do you think about this greenery is some ways it's drying out, but some ways it packs up and it slows you down or slips. So as cool as it is, it's questionable how consistent it is. So just taking it easy. So I'm still not a big fan of the jump at the bottom here, especially right now because it's all rutted. So it's not smooth at all coming in. And this one has no landing. So, yeah. I think I got mud in my ear. There's something rattling around with the helmet. I know it's not my brain. Off line. So supposedly that water, that creek, that Little Monkey and Laura's Line Cross has been diverted. Thursday it was still running like a creek. So right now it looks a lot better. Yep. Nice. Good job, Rick. Oh, it's so nasty. Frenchy. Alright. So much better though. Oh, man, what a great day. I think I might come do this again tomorrow. Oh. Hey, Pops. Hey, boys. Oh, you guys are good boys. I got 2 border collies about the same size, so